Welcome. So, in this section, we would focus on the questions that were asked in the UGC NET paper 1 on 20th August, memory based, right? So, these are the 7 books which you have to prepare for your paper 1. Now, based on what was asked this time, let's do quickly some of the major topics. So, let's begin with the most important topic, and that is the section from teaching and aptitude. So, if you go here and see the list of topics, there were questions related to curriculum. There were questions which were asked based on the teaching methodologies, and then the questions pertain to research. Under research, there were questions on the types. It was based on quasi-experimental styles, which was a very important question. Again, the questions pertain to reliability, types of reliability. So, what are the 3 important ways of test standardization is reliability, validity and usability. So types of reliability, types of validity, extremely important, and this was what was asked this time. From the education, very important question was on foreign universities, the year and date of establishment of the foreign universities. This was some of the important things. And then communication, the basic questions pertaining to effective communication were asked. Coming on, next was the section on computers. Now computers, from the basics of environment, there were questions related to pollution, questions related to environment, conventions, Kyoto Protocol was asked and the other conventions were asked. Now coming on to the questions which were pertaining to the sections on computing. So virus and network was one of the questions, graphic user interface, web 2.0 was another question. So all these questions, and then generation of computers, first generation, second generation was another question. So all these topics have been covered here, and some of the important terms and techniques have been discussed here. So let me just have you with a brief outlook here. So if you